Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP. Careface Video Productions.
The Earth movement has resulted in the creation of a subduction zone, where the denser lithosphere of the oceanic plate sinks beneath the lighter continental lithosphere of South America, causing volcanic activity, earthquakes, and tsunamis. The study, published in the journal Nature Communications, used computer models to simulate the forces driving the primordial collision between the Caribbean and South American tectonic plates, which occurred around 80 million years ago. The models revealed that the Caribbean plate initially moved northward, then slowly rotated clockwise into its current position. Understanding the geological history and movements of tectonic plates can help scientists predict and prepare for natural disasters in the region.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.